It'll definitely speed things up if you have all the necessary tools for the job. All of these are fairly common, and you should be familiar with them already. We carry T-handle, ball-end Allen wrenches, both in fractional and metric. This is going to be one of the most common wrenches that you use in basic assembly or advanced assembly for that matter. We also have L-handle ball-end wrenches in both fractional and metric. You'll also want to use a breaker bar with these. This will allow you to get the torque that you need to engage the drop lock feature and make 80/20 work to its fullest. When you're using Holy Tube, you're going to use standard box end wrenches, 1/2 inch 7/16. Also a 13 mil is sometimes comes in handy. One of the other more common things we use is a soft-faced rubber mallet. Also a standard tape measure we'll use just to measure and make sure that everything's where it needs to be. Your household utility knife that we carry also is going to be used for cutting panel gasket and other materials that you might use. We also carry standard and fractional and metric Allen wrench combo kits, which is all combined in a more convenient carrying fashion. Also available from 80/20 are ball end socket driver sets, both in fractional and metric, ball end driver sets, both in fractional and metric, a roll pin punch for when you're using Holy Tube, and a dual-faced rubber mallet. While you find everything you need in the 80/20 catalog, there are a few things that you can purchase from your local hardware that we find to be helpful. One of those things are blade cutters, which you will use to cut T-slot cover and rubber panel gasket and other assorted accessories. Something such as Loctite, in case you're in a situation where you need to ensure that those aren't going to come loose and you need that extra assurance. Also, your standard Armor All, which will help you install rubber panel gasket. And then when you're finished, you can use your general purpose cleaner. Also, something that you might find helpful is quick clamps. These are very helpful when you're using plates and any type of joining method that is unsecure at the beginning.